know how to make real money in adult entertainment? Men and women, but mainly women. I can't say about men. So, women, stay tuned, stay watching. Let me teach you. Watch and learn, okay? Darling Denver. Denver, a Sin City. That's me. It's the reason why I'm Las Vegas finest. Let me tell you. Stay tuned. Now, rule number 1, before you even get to the money part, you gotta make sure you look good and sound good, okay? That's meaning education, work out, drinking water, your clothes, your shoes, your hair, your nails, your feet, all of that, okay? So let me just get into that part real quick. Education. You have got to learn everything. You are a sponge, okay? Good things to take. You're going to have to take a few college courses. Yes, you cannot be no dumbass adult entertainer, okay? So, I would advise business marketing. I did that. I have a degree there. Cosmetology. Why? Because times like this, it's Corona time right now. You can do your own hair. See, I did my own. I colored my own. You could do your nails. See, look, these are mine. You could do your own little shit in case things mess up. You know, also current events. Stay up on your current events for more than one reason. Reason number 1, because you need to know what's going on in the world. You don't want to be walking around oblivious, do you? Reason number 2, it gives you something to talk about when you go and make your appointments with these clients. These are like, you know, upscale people. They don't want to talk about Snapchat and Facebook and memes and Kim Kardashian. And if they do, great. You already know it. But they want to talk about real world stuff. You need to know. They might bring it up. I would suggest, you know, get a couple like CNN and BBC News apps on your phone. Get some breaking news. You ain't got to read the whole article, but you're going to read a lot of it. You can't just read the headline. No. You need to read some, most, if not all. Pop on the news. When your ass is on Snapchat, have that in the background. Something you need to know. Besides, do you not want to know what's going on in the world that you live in? Please learn some Webster Dictionary words. A thesaurus. Pick that up. It's needed. Something else that's a bonus that will actually help. It's not something you have to do, but it's not going to do nothing but help your career. Sports. Even if you don't like them, you like them now. You know? I mean, brownie points. Basketball, football, dibble dabble, and a little bit of soccer, hockey, NASCAR, you know? I mean, you don't got to study it like know every single thing. But, I mean, if you know a little bit of something, it's not going to do nothing but be like, oh, shit, she a cool chick. You know, it's going to help you. It, you know, opens that door for more conversations. Conversation is key. People like people that they can talk to. Psychology wouldn't be a bad thing to study as well. Get a couple of psychology books. No, you don't have to have a degree in it, but hell, if you went that far, great. No, psychology. Psychology 101. The 16 personalities in the world. Yes, there's only 16. And then it branches off each one into another 3 to 4. So there are not that many personalities in the world. Do the math. 16 times 4. See, if you went to college, you would know that real quick. What is it? Is it 64, 54, 84? Figure it out. Go to college. Be an excellent observer. Person reader. I said this before on how to be happy. Happy only every day, baby. Ho, 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 ho. But no, seriously. Learn how to read body language and tone. That will help you. That's also in psychology, you know, just to further it more. The zodiac is cool too. Learn all of that. Remember, you're a sponge. I would also suggest knowing your history. I mean, like world history, U.S. history, African history, black history. Know that. That's not going to do nothing but help as well. Therefore, it's another connection. Let's say you know something about, I don't know, Lithuania. Do y'all even know what Lithuania is? Don't forget geography. Moldova, one of the poorest countries in Europe. Ghana is actually the country that has the strongest currency on the whole continent. Denmark, one of the first countries, actually the first country in the entire world to abolish slavery. The ancient Moors came from North Africa. Okay, I'm gonna stop because that was just a lot of education that I gave. Those were just examples. We get the point. You better stay working out and looking good, keeping that body tight and right. Again, you want to make $1 million, $2 million, $10 million, you better look like it. Another way to stay looking good, drink water. That is your best friend. Vitamins, vitamins, vitamins. Black seed oil. Get a hold of that herbal life. Veganish life. You ain't got to be vegan. Incorporate into your diet. Hashtag herbal life. Black soap, y'all. Black soap. Clears your skin. Oh, so naturally, baby. Products. Always use the best. What you use for your face, you don't use for your hands, for your feet, for your body. It's all different stuff. Keep you soft and supple and smooth. Then, lastly, in the part 1, before you even go out and make 10 million, you have to look good all the time of the day. I don't care. From open eyes to closed eyes. Look good. Even when you go to sleep. Sleep in something cute. Like for instance, right now, something cute. I'm lounging in the house all day. This is my lounging outfit. It's nothing, but it's still cute. It's a well put together. But if you really look at what I have on, what do I have on? Some cut off jeans, stockings, and a whatever shirt. I even have on socks and slides. But again, it's a well put together. Look good all day. All day. All day. Now y'all probably wondering, why do I gotta look cute all day? Even when I'm going to sleep. Even when I'm lounging. Even when I'm off the clock. You wanna know why? Because an entertainer that stays ready don't have to what? Get ready. I'm just saying. That makeup life. Some don't wear makeup. Some do. Me personally, I wear it every now and then. Not every day. But I always still at least have something on my lips. Look cute. Again, just look cute. Please, please keep your hair looking cool. You know what I'm saying? I don't really have that problem because I have dreads. But you see they colored and they done and, got the red and the brown, the black and the blonde. Keep it up. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't be walking around and you from forehead on down looking great and your scalp is looking like it need to be scalped. No. That is not how it goes. Must look good all the time. So keep that together. Whatever product you gotta use, make sure you don't run out. Get it, use it, look good. The diamond rules to this whole part 1, because we're still in part 1, remember y'all? Before you even make that 10 million. But anyway, the whole point in the diamond rule of this is confidence. said this on how to be a happy only every day. Ho, 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 ho. But anyway, you gotta keep that confidence. Looking good, smelling good, feeling good, and having energy will all help that. Education too. If you're smart, pretty, and you know what you're talking about, and you know where you going, you's a triple threat, right? Okay then. So now that we are through with part 1 of making your 10 million, and all of that was just on looking and sounding good, because again, if you want to make what you feel you need to look like it, sound like it, and exude it. So stay tuned for part 2.